practicing our Linux environment. So this is the introductory video on how we can log in and access our labs, Linux labs. So since I have already have an account, so I will directly click on login. If you do not have a login account, then you can sign up and to netcat.com website, and you can get it from here. You can log in, we can sign up from there. Since I have already have an account, so I will log in with my credentials. Okay, so after typing the password, it lets me access this course where I can launch this course. There are certain Linux essentials you can access, and I can enroll in my course and good to we are good to go. So here we get the course details. Here these are the modules. Certain modules are there, and in that way we can click. And also the best thing is that you can get the LPI certification voucher also on this academy. So this is the netgate.com website, which is the Cisco certified website for 25 years of networking. So you can get the access here. Thank you for watching.